What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a case for the S26 Ultra by Ornarto. So the S26 just came out, and when the last iPhone came out, I was really into the orange color that came out. For those of you that don't know, orange is my favorite color. And I kind of heard rumors that this phone was also going to come out in orange. And as far as I know, it did not. So I have this color. So I immediately started looking around online and found this case by Ornarto. Sorry if I'm butchering that. But anyway, it's orange, it's thin, and I wanted to check it out. I've never heard of the brand before. So yeah, let's jump right into it. This thing is $16 on Amazon. Not your cheapest case, but definitely not the most expensive. The packaging is perfectly fine. Carbon neutral, climate partner, etc., etc. Lots of interesting information on there. No real information saying it's for the S26 Ultra, aside from the S26 down there. Not really super descriptive, but hey, whatever. It's a cheap case. I'm totally fine with it. So we're going to jump right into this thing and see what we got here. Packaging is perfectly fine. Some random weird stickers of cats inside of donuts, I believe. Okay. Put those over there. Give those to my children. I'm sure they'll love it. And some instructions. Those are kind of nice. It shows you how to put the phone in the case, as well as a video for the removal guide. Pretty awesome. Thank you for your support. Not sure what I'm supporting. Oh, that's cool. They got an explanation about the return policy. 0 to 3 months, 100% refund. 3 to 6 months, 50%. 6 to 12, 30% refund. Totally reasonable. I love it. Very cool. And yeah, extra points there. A little protective packaging. And here we go. This is the case itself. Feels perfectly fine. A little bit rigid, a little bit flexible, just like you'd want it to be so it doesn't beat up the phone. And it looks like the cutouts should be right on point. But let's try it out. So I'm going to feed it in button side first. And boom, I have a very orange S26 Ultra. I thought it felt...
That vibrant orange is a bold choice.
I know, that's why I bought it. Hey, go away. That was not planned, I promise. Yeah, so there you have it. Not sure how I feel about it yet, but I'm going to definitely rock it. There's something I don't necessarily love about it, but it does seem to check all the boxes. I do like the rim around the optics. It's perfectly fine. It's raised up a little bit. You have actually 2 layers of protection. You have a rim around the outside of the camera bump itself, and then little rings around the actual individual optics, extra protection, and you have 1 ring around the sensors here as well. The buttons have perfectly fine cutouts. Actually super clicky, and I like that they put this little relief in here. What that is for is when you're putting the phone into the case, it allows the edges of the phone of the case to flex a little bit, so the case takes any stress, not the phone itself, and it also plays nice with the buttons. There's a little bit of a lip around the edges here, so when you place it face down, you're not placing it down on the glass itself. Not bad at all. And you can obviously get to everything below. The stylus is perfectly accessible for me to never use it. And yeah, you can't really ask for much more than that. So if you're looking for something that's orange, they do have other colors, but you want something thin, light, and reasonably affordable, $16 will get it done from you from Ornarto. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to spell it on the screen here for you. I'm sorry. But yeah, great case. Definitely recommend it. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. As always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.